What's up, Collision family? It's Jeremy Backwoods here. I'm a Texas drummer from Austin, Texas. I play with a mix of artists, rap, hip-hop, metal, country, everything in between. I'm 26 years old. I've been playing drums for about 15 years. I also play in my deathcore band called It That Betrays. You can find us on Instagram at The Betray Texas. And yeah, so I just work with a bunch of artists and I play shows. I've done South by Southwest. I'll play shows every month, every 2 months, stuff like that. I love playing. I believe that music is the key to everything here in life. Let's see, I'm rocking the Collision 5BR right now. Ooh, God. These bad boys are sick. I honestly love the design. Got pulled here for just, it looks sick. The weight on these bad boys when you're doing the blast beats, can't beat it, honestly. And the nylon tips kind of sold me right here. Amazing. So I'm about to play, you're about to see a mix of videos that described exactly kind of what I just did, more in the hip hop area. So shows that I've done, you see a little bit of South by Southwest clips, see a little bit of, you know, bigger stages, clips and stuff like that, and I hope you enjoy.
Jones in the back. We got Mr. Jeremy Backwoods.